How to attract anything in 17 seconds. A law of attraction secret. Set a timer for 17 seconds. First, get yourself to feel real good. Think of a happy memory and make your emotions stronger so you feel very happy. Good. Now focus on one thing that you want. Don't get distracted. When your timer goes off, set it again for 51 seconds. Stay feeling good and think of what you want. Make it bigger and see all the details. Once your timer goes off, that's it. You've just got the universe to help you. Thank the universe for bringing what you want. Now you can go about your day while the universe works for you. It's that simple, so go give it a try.